Do you want to get the best possible prices? Are you in the trade? Do you include glass balustrades in your offerings? Do you want top quality products at the best possible prices? We can help you with that. With our uniquely designed, engineered bespoke balustrading systems, and years of experience in the industry, we've developed an efficient, streamlined process, cutting time and saving valuable resources. Because of our experienced account managers, technical advisors, logistics department, and manufacturing processes, as an affiliate of Balconette, we are able to give you our best possible price, while helping expand your commercial and financial growth. To learn more about the Balconette affiliate program, and all we can offer, go to www.balconette.co.uk/join, or give us a call.